Welcome to Academica Lab Solutions. We first begin with mechanical assembly. For transmitter stand assembly, take fixed base plate and screw adjustable legs to it. This is how it looks when all the legs are fixed. Fix height adjustment rod to conical mount of the base plate. Screw the parabolic reflector on the top of the rod from the backside. Take 1 meter SMA to SMA cable with feeder. Unscrew the feeder and fix it to the parabolic reflector by inserting it from the front side and fixing it from the back side. Now fix dipole in front of the parabolic reflector. So we are ready with the transmitter. For receiver stand assembly, take motorized base plate and screw adjustable legs to it as we did earlier. Fix height adjustment rod to conical mount of the base plate. Now take universal mount and fix at the top of the rod. It is used to fix any type of antenna to it and hence called universal mount. To begin with, let's fix the dipole antenna on the top of the universal mount as shown. Let's understand electrical connections. Before electrical connection, follow the experimental setup as shown. Connect free end of the transmitter antenna cable to RF out port. Connect 2 meter SMA to SMA cable between RF in port and receiver antenna. Next, connect RS-232 cable to join motorized base plate and control panel. Connect power cord to the panel. Use USB cable to connect control panel to PC. Here is panel operation. Source and detector panel having RF out. That is RF signal generator with frequency range of 100 MHz to 3 GHz. RF in. That is RF detector of maximum input of plus 5 dBm. It has LCD screen, port for the connection of stepper motor. On the right side of the panel is a keypad with various function keys. From menu key, menu option is available. Back button. From this key, you can move one step backward. Enter button. If you want to confirm the selection, Enter key should be pressed. Shift key is used to enable the arrow keys. Reset key is used for system reset. Finally, let's install software and understand its operation. First, insert AMSA software DVD into DVD drive and open it. Among 3 folders, open software folder. Now follow the folder sequence as shown to access setup.exe file. Run setup.exe file to install the software. Click Next button to select installation directory and start installation. Now the software is installing. Once it is complete, click on Finish. Open AMSA software. You will see these 2 options on menu bar, File and Help. Click on File. 2 options are visible. 1. Select Control and second, Exit. As you move your cursor on Select Control option, you will further see panel and PC options. From here, you can run this software in panel mode as well as in PC mode. Click on PC mode. A small window will appear saying Select COM port. Select correct COM port and press OK, which will open main software window. Its menu bar contains File, Plot, Settings, Measurements, Theory and Help options. On left side, you will see 4 selection bars. On clicking the drop-down arrow, you can make different selections. On right side, you can see the inverse square law graph with distance on x-axis and power on y-axis. 3D button is used to view 3D pattern. Move your cursor on plot. You can see readings in 3 different forms: polar plot, Cartesian graph, and inverse square law graph. Move to settings, where you have 3 options: step angle, comport, and reset AMS. From the step angle, you can set the step angle as 1.8 degree or 5.4 degree. From comport, you can change the previously selected comport. Reset AMS allows you to reset the system. In measurement, you can select the parameters to be calculated. Select the type of antenna and receiver antenna. As you click on these options, related equations and results can be seen here. First window displays angle and the second one shows power. 3D button is used to observe 3D plot. Click and drag to see the graph from different angle. In theory options, you will find documents related to the system. From help, you can get related videos, manuals, reference plot, and about us. Thanks for watching this video.